coming to our 2015 graduation. These kids are so they've been singing and dancing for, I don't know, months already. And I just hope they do it all for you because it's really special. And Gabby and I have invested a lot of love in this group of children, and it's always very hard at the end of the year to say goodbye to a group and know that next year they probably won't even meet you, or some of them do, but a lot of them don't. So I start warning them kind of in March that they better remember me next year. They all promise they will, and we'll see. Anyway, but also thank you, Moragabi, for being such a wonderful partner. As you know, Gabby's house got flooded too, and the shul and everything, and she was so organized that we had certain things done before that I cannot do, like slideshows. So, thank you for that. We've really had a wonderful year, and I want to thank all you parents for your support, because you really have been a really supportive group of parents, and we've enjoyed every single one of these children. So, I think this is you. Oh, okay. All right.
Please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Hatikvah.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible,